Hi, this is Josh, and today I want to talk to you about overcoming a poor mindset. First, if you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. You have the ability to do some amazing things, but first, you have to have the right mindset. Without dreams, vision, and purpose, life will serve you a platter on which you can barely survive on. In other words, in order to thrive, you must prepare your own platter and commit yourself to keeping it full. People have the ability to become more. The only thing that is holding you back are your excuses and your own mindset. No matter if you're Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, Jay-Z, or Beyonce, we all have 24 hours in a day. And my question is, what are you doing with yours? The things that you're doing should help you move closer to your goal, not dragging you down. You have to leave that poor mentality outside of the door. It's time for you to break free of those circular curses that have plagued your family for years. We have to cut loose of those generational curses. The curse of debt, the curse of living paycheck to paycheck, the curse of not being able to get ahead, and the curse of having a poor mindset. It's your mindset that will propel you forward when the world is trying to hold you back. Your attitude will determine your altitude, meaning what you think about yourself and what you think about your prospects in life will dictate your level of success. And in order to obtain a rich mindset, these are some of the things that we have to avoid. Number one, we need to avoid people who have no ambition. This doesn't mean that we need to start going around discriminating against people who do not generate six-figure incomes. This means that you should avoid people who settle in life that have no ambition to improve their current circumstances. The law of attraction applies heavily here. You want to surround yourself with people who have a rich mindset in order to attract their mindset. You want to emulate their behaviors and access their networks. This is how you separate yourself from people with a poor mindset and begin to transform yourself into a rich mindset. Look at the people in life who are succeeding and emulate what's working for them. If I was trying to lose weight, I would want to be trained and follow the practices of someone who is healthy. In other words, if I want to know how to have a successful marriage in my life, I don't want to be coached by someone who has been divorced 3 and 4 times. If I want someone to help me raise my kids, I don't want someone who never had a kid, who never babysat a day in their life telling me how to raise my kids. If I want to succeed, I want to connect with people who have proven success. We must start learning from our mistakes. Don't fear failure. Mistakes teaches us through analysis and feedback about what worked and what don't. When you allow yourself to learn from your mistakes, you will find a new kind of confidence. It's okay to fail. In fact, you need to fail, and more than once. It's not the failure that matters, but it's the growth that will come from that failure. Right or wrong, you will always grow from your experiences in life. The feedback that we get from our mistakes can be some of the most specific, pointed, and powerful feedback that we will ever receive. Mistakes allow us to inspire others. When a lifetime smoker who is dying of lung cancer talks about the value of being smoke-free, we are more prone and more apt to listen. The same contribution also occurs when we speak candidly about less serious mistakes. When you learn from your mistakes, the rich mindset person will add value to the lives of other people around them by explaining their mistakes and helping people overcome the obstacles which they had to endure to get where they were. So in order to move from a poor mindset to a rich mindset, be willing to help people and also add value into the lives of people who are trying to succeed in life. Another way to transform into a rich mindset from that poor mindset is that you have to stop complaining. When you are complaining, you are focusing on the things that is wrong in your life, and what you focus on tend to be the things that expand. I am a firm believer that the power of death and life lies within your tongue. If you continue to speak negative, that's what you will sow, and that's what you will get. A great example of this is the United States citizen versus immigrants to the States. Immigrants to the States are 4 times more likely to become millionaires and to be successful than the ones that grew up here in the States. And one of the main reasons is we talk about the negatives of living in this nation while immigrants see this nation as a land of opportunity. It's all about having that rich mindset. Learn how to interact and connect with various types of people. Find out more about them and try to start finding common ground. Be positive and provide feedback to people when they ask. You never know how much a few words of feedback can really help somebody out. And being positive is also contagious. And lastly, if you want to move from that poor mindset to that rich mindset, this is a big one. Never stop learning. Most people leave the education system thinking that their learning days are over. Learn new skills. If you have an interest in it, learn everything that you can learn about that subject. The best investment that you can make is an investment in yourself. Do things like read, meditate, network, and take small steps every day that will lead you closer to your goal, and eventually you will achieve your goal. And remember, and always take this with you, that the race is not given to the swift, but he that endureth to the end. What are some of the mindsets that you believe that people should let go in order to transform into that rich mindset? Leave those in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, click below me on the icon to subscribe and click over here for more videos. Until then, remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.